Miraculous. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to reach the top of the Eiffel Tower. Lay out the board. Each player picks a player hero card and takes its matching token and places it on start. Shuffle the action cards and deal 4 to each player. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from others. Place the remainder of the deck face down as a draw pile. For your first few games, or when playing with younger players, remove the 5 advanced cards which have this symbol in the top right. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, draw cards from the top of the deck until you have 4. Then, play 1 card to the discard pile and perform its action. There are 4 types of cards. Move cards move your hero up the tower the number of spaces indicated. Villain cards are marked with a purple moth villain icon and negatively affect any player of your choice by causing them to move down the tower or to skip a turn. You are allowed to target yourself with a villain card if you want. Kwami cards give you the chance between 2 actions. Either you can move 1 or 2 spaces up the tower, or you can use them for a special action. The Nuru special action can be used at any time to block any villain card. The 6 different Kwami icons allow you to perform a special move. If the Kwami card matches another hero's icon, then move your hero token to that space. If it matches your own hero's icon, then move your hero to any other hero's space of your choice. Event cards have special actions. Some have the block a villain card icon, while others have the delay action. The delay action causes another player to skip a turn. If you land on a delay space, then you lose a turn. Whenever you lose a turn, rotate your meeple to its side. Your hero is now delayed. If a hero is currently delayed, it cannot be delayed further. At the beginning of your turn, when your hero is delayed, you rotate your hero upright, then end your turn. Event cards and delay spaces are not villain cards and cannot be blocked. You must always play a card on your turn, even if you can't benefit from it. After you play your card and perform the action, your turn ends and the next player goes. The first player to reach the top space of the tower by exact count wins. If you are in a situation where you cannot legally play a card, then you must discard 1 card and end your turn. The advanced cards are discard and draw. The targeted player must mix up their hand, and the player to their left discards 1 at random. Then they draw a replacement. 2-card draw. Draw the top 2 cards from the deck and look at them. Pick 1 to add to your hand, then place the other on the top of the deck. Group move. Move yourself 1, 2, or 3 spaces up. Then pick 2 other heroes to move up 1. When playing with 2 players, only pick 1 other player to move. Kwami power. Every player passes their entire hand to the player to the left.